Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we will talk about the real meaning of true love in Islam. 1. True love begins with Allah. Allah says, "But those who believe are stronger in love for Allah." Surah al-Bukhari 2:165. True love means putting Allah above everything, following His commands, and seeking His pleasure. 2. Love for the Prophet. The Prophet said, "None of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father, his children and all mankind." Sahih al-Bukhari 15, Sahih Muslim 44. This love is proven by following his sunnah, not just by words. The Prophet said, "None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself." Sahih al-Bukhari 13, Sahih Muslim 45. Real love means wanting goodness, making dua for others, and helping them in both deen and dunya. And he also said, "The strongest bond of faith is loving for the sake of Allah and hating for the sake of Allah." Musnad Ahmad 18524. Hassan, this is the purest form of love. 4. Love between husband and wife. Allah says, "And he placed between you love and mercy." Surah Ar-Rum 30:21. Marital love is respect, mercy, patience and sacrifice, a sign of Allah's mercy. Conclusion. True love in Islam is not selfish or temporary. It is eternal and for the sake of Allah. If our love brings us closer to Allah, that is the real love.